Hi guys, I'm showing you today how you make your own vegan curd. Okay, I bought here one vegan curd, coconut curd, and I'll show you how they do it. It's very simple, you can save a lot of money. So you need that for sure. You need the probiotic culture, the microbiotics, okay? Bacteria, whatever you want to call it. Okay, let me show you. Ta-da-da-da, that's the coconut curd, okay? Which you can buy in the store, and if not, then just get a normal curd and see what I do. Take coconut milk. I mean, of course, it would be awesome if you have fresh milk. Put it in there. All of it. Da-da-da-da. And really important is have clean fingers, okay? You need to wash your hands and get clean spoon and everything. Then just take a little curd because it has already the curd bacteria and put it in here and then stir it, mix it. You can shake it later. You can even add some flavor like cinnamon or whatever and then close it, okay? And what I do is I shake it and I keep it out in the open for 10 minutes and then I put it in the fridge and ta-da-da, you save a lot of money. You have a full jar by tomorrow, the one you bought. And this is what I do with all those ones, just from this little one. You can even use this one later and then create new ones. And it's good for your tummy, digestion, probiotics are really important. Okay, kombucha, kimchi, curd, they all have probiotics, but I'm vegan, I am lactose intolerant, so you can use coconut milk, almond milk, all those things. Usually what people do is they keep it out in the open in the warm and then they put it in the fridge. Enjoy!